Gadget Sal.
This is your pal, Gadget Sal. And of course, that's not my real voice, but it is me, your pal Sal. And what we do on this channel is we rate gadgets from 0 to 10, 0 being the worst, 10 being the best, but it's only one test, that's all. So let's get this started. Welcome back to Gadget Sal, guys, and what we have today are 5 different AliExpress Stash Gadgets. So let's check them out. First Stash Gadget is this one right over here. Can you tell me which one is the Stash Gadget and which one is the real battery? It's kind of difficult to tell. Do it again. Which one is the Stash Gadget and which one is the real battery? This one here, the Energizer, is the real one. This one here is the Stash Gadget, which is unbelievable. But it's exactly as this one right over here. The same size, same shape, same weight almost. They almost weigh exactly the same. Very small, fits right into your hand, and you can hide it anywhere you want to. Anywhere that you would think. Maybe you buy a bunch of Duracell batteries and you hide it in between a lot of Duracell batteries. What you do is you unscrew this here. It's made out of some type of cast metal, and on the inside it has a plastic casing. The top and the body here inside they have a plastic casing, and it's just a screw-on thing. It's not a pop-on or anything like that. It just screws on, screws back off. Really simple to work. But it's very small. But I mean, if you don't want anybody to know that you take a certain type of pill, here, I'm going to put some Tylenol in here. Here we go. If you don't want anybody to know that you're taking Tylenol pills, put this right inside. It fits too. Put this right in here. And it screws on. And you have 2 Tylenol tablets right inside. Unscrew this here. 1 tablet there. There it goes. It focused. 1 tablet there. And the next tablet right over here. So it's very simple to work. You just insert the tablets inside. 1, 2, there they are, right inside. Screw on the top and they disappear. Here's a couple of ibuprofen tablets. Here's one here. And does it fit? No. It fits into the opening, but it doesn't go into the actual cavity itself of the plastic. When you screw this over, it won't. It just keeps on turning. So you can basically only use Tylenol tablets or tablets that are elongated. You can't use these round ones because they're not going to fit. Here's a $20 bill. I'm going to try and fit it in case you want it as an emergency. And let's see if it works. Fold it nicely. So it's a small little tube. And yes, it fits inside. Okay, now with the top closed, because the top still has a bit of space there. So it should close on the top. And yes, it fit the $20 bill inside of the battery. Check that out. That's pretty cool. You unscrew this. You unscrew the top. You take out the 20. There we go. Doesn't even have to be money. It could be something, a very important password that you only write down and you stash it away. And here it is. Check it out. $20 bill, $100 bill, whatever amount of money. 8.2. It's really nice. It's made out of metal. It looks almost exactly like the other battery. It has almost the same weight. It has the very same exact dimensions. There they are right next to each other. Pretty indistinguishable. Nobody would know that you have a Stash Gadget that is a battery. The next one here, it's actually a key that you put on your keychain, but it's hollow on the inside. So this is pretty cool because it functions as a real key. I think you can have it cut like a real key. It looks like a real key for someone's car. See, it has the buttons here. They're non-clickable, but this is functional right here. Comes this way. Pull them apart. This is the hollow part here. Here is the opening. And there is a cavity right in here where you fit whatever you want in here. So I'm just going to do the same thing. The Advil pills. 2, 4, 6, 8 pills in here. And put this over. You can hear a little bit of rattling, but I don't think anybody's going to notice that. Put this over in here. It snaps into place. The pills are right inside. That's pretty cool. You'll have enough Advil for all of your headaches. And if you want to just get them out, you open this, pull this apart, and they're going to be right in here, right in there. And there they are. That's pretty cool. 5 pills of these long Tylenol tablets here. And same thing. You're going to put the cap right over it. Snaps right in place. You can't see anything. And then you get the key, housing, put it in there, snaps into place, and you just close it, and there it is. We're going to put this on my keychain. Let's see what it looks like. There it is. Pretty indistinguishable. Here's my remote. Here's the other remote. They look pretty much the same. This is pretty cool. This Stash Gadget is pretty simple to work. Easy to work with. There. And you turn it over. Upside down. You open it. Your pills are right there. The $20 bills, if you fold it enough, fold that $20 bill. Very simply. Fold it. Easily squeezed inside. Put that right on top of there. And that's it. Man, this is pretty cool. Looks exactly like a key. You open it when you need your emergency money, and it's right inside. Check that out. Pull that out, and there's the money. 20 bucks. You can do 100 bucks, $1, whatever you want. 8.7. It's an ingenious idea. You can hide it away. You can store it. Nobody's going to know. They're going to think it's a key remote. This is made out of plastic. The buttons are non-functional, but the key part is very functional. And no one's gonna know. Alright guys, this next one here, I'm pretty sure everybody has seen this one. This one is a Stash Gadget too, but it is in the shape of a belt, of course. I used one of these when I went a few years ago to Japan. I actually stored some money here, and I don't know if people know that you can store money in here, but you can buy one of these, and it has a pocket right on the inside of the belt. So this is the outside, this is the inside. Put the money in here. Just a regular nylon belt. It has a plastic clip here, so we're gonna fold the money. So what I did is I folded the money like so. You can fold it long ways, but we're gonna fold it this way for now. You unzip it, of course, and then you open it side to side. Put the money right in here. Then you zip it up. So here we go. And there it is. Your money's right inside. This is made out of nylon, of course, and then this is all a big zipper. Right over here. It's pretty long, and when you open it, when you want to take some money out after you've hidden it for a while because you really need it, there it is. Put it back in, close that up, and here it is. We're gonna put it on so you guys can check it out to see what it looks like. Hopefully it's not too big. It's on the inside, the money here. Here's the money right in there. You close it up. Here's the belt buckle. Tighten it, and you can open it, tighten it. And it's just a regular belt. Check that out. Whenever you're ready to take out money, maybe go to the bathroom or something, open this up really quick, and you take out the money, and here it is. Whatever you don't need, stash it back inside, close this up, buckle it up again, and you're ready to go. That was the belt there, guys. Really well made. From AliExpress. This quality was really nice. 8.6. It's really nice, but I have a feeling people are already going to know that you're stashing money there. And they're just going to say, take the belt off, right? Really nice material. Really well made. It's going to last a very long time, and it holds a lot of money. This whole thing here you can put money into. It's a 7-Up can. You tell me, would you be able to tell that this is a Stash Gadget? Check that out. It has the stamp code and everything. It has all the information there. It says 7-Up right there and right over here. And the top, check that out. If I pull it with my nail, it wants to open like a regular soda. So that's pretty cool. I really do like that a lot. Because if you put this in between a bunch of cans of 7-Up, I don't think they're going to be able to tell what it is. You twist this open. And there it is. It's a plastic top. And all they did was cut the top off there and glue the plastic top on there. But on the inside, to make it weigh, it's pretty heavy, like a soda. It looks like epoxy. And then in the center, all they did was put that plastic tube right down the center. So that's what it looks like there. We're going to start off with this silver bar here. So if you have very expensive things, well, like an ounce of silver here, place it right in here. And it's going to go right inside. That's no problem for it. Let's say if you have a collectible type of coin, it's going to fit all of that in there. Check that out. So there's some coins also inside of there. And then you want to put some money in there. So here's $20. Put that right inside here. That'll fit inside. Here's another $20. Right inside. Right in there. So that's already a pretty good amount of stuff. I mean, if you really don't want anything to rattle, I think you can probably put some cotton inside of it. Just pack it in, and you're not going to hear anything. Close it. Twist this. And there you go. It looks like a soda. Check that out. You're going to know what it is if you rattle it. That you're going to know that there's something inside of it. But I think if you pack it in with cotton, you won't be able to tell. This is what it's going to look like. It feels like a soda. It weighs like a soda. That's what I like about it. Ingenious way to do it. And here's your money. Whenever you're ready, take it out. 20, 20. A bunch of collectible coins if you have collectible coins. Right? And then that 1 ounce of silver. You can store a lot of silver in here if you have these type of silver bars. That's just one of them in there. So there's a lot of space left over. I really do like this. It's pretty cool. You just cram the stuff inside if you want to really quick. You put it in between whatever sodas. You can put it in between 7-Up, Coke, Pepsi, or whatever. Just have a bunch of sodas there. You're the only one that's really going to know. 9.2. I really do like this a lot. I think it's a great idea. It has all the information of the soda on the false can stash gadget, and nobody's going to be able to tell. It functions almost exactly like a soda. It has the weight of the soda. So I think that's a very good score for it. Here we go, guys. The last one here. This one right here. We've all had this product. We've all bought it at the 99-cent store, Walmart or whatever. And it's pretty cool because it's the same thing. It looks exactly like the real one. A Comet can, Comet cleaner. You put this under your sink. You put this under the bathroom sink. No one's going to be able to tell. It has all the information there. I think they used the original can. They just cut it out and put the plastic insert inside. It even has the top there. You see the paper cover, and I think on the top they put a little bit of talc powder inside, baby talc powder. I can feel some powder inside right around here. And then when you open it up from the bottom, it's the same thing as the other one. It's just a bigger opening, a bigger top, and a bigger cavity. See, and it's pretty deep all the way up to here. It has powder in case somebody wants to use it. We're going to fill it up. We're going to turn it upside down. We're going to fill it up with stuff. It has a way bigger opening, so it's pretty easy to stash stuff in here. Same silver bar. Here's a different silver bar. This is actually a round. I bent the case a little bit, which was just made out of cardboard. It goes right inside. If you have collectible coins, put those right inside too. Here's a pocket knife. 3-inch pocket knife. There's still a bunch of space inside. I'm pretty sure if you have a USB stick, it's gonna fit. Here's another knife. It looks like a USB stick. Put that knife in there, ready to go if you need it for protection. You never know. There's still a lot of space in there. I can even put the battery stash gadget right inside. Close that up. And there it is. It's all inside. Right at the bottom there. And of course, if somebody shakes it, they're going to be able to tell that there's something inside. But I have a feeling if you just stuff it with cotton, stuff it with something, toilet paper, if you stuff it in there, it's not going to make any type of noise. But it looks exactly like the real thing. I should have bought the real thing to compare to this, but I just didn't have time to go buy it. And here it is. We open it up. There's the top. Start taking stuff out. There's the battery stash gadget. Here's the knife. Could be a USB stick if you really wanted to. Silver round. Another ounce of silver. And here's the money. $20 bill. $20 bill. And that's it. That's pretty cool, guys. I really do like this. It's an ingenious product. These were all from AliExpress. I really do like it. You can just search for them. You should be able to find them. I'm going to give this one a... This one is a 9.5. I really do like it because it has a lot of room. It's the same as the soda can. It looks exactly like the original product. You put this under the sink, no one's going to know. You can have two of them, a real one and a fake one, and no one's going to know. Guys, thank you very much for watching. This is your pal Gadget Sal here again. Please check out this video right over here if you want to see some more gadgets tested and scored. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Remember, one test, that's all. Thank you.